Best Choice Roofing. About to attempt a repair test. This is the damaged shingle here. You can see where it's creased right along here. You come up a little closer where you can see it. That's the damaged shingle there. So we're finna change this tab out right here and put a new one in. So let's get started. There's one nail. Just remove the old one. Last one. Alright, just got done with all the nails. You can see up close where all these shingles here got damaged during the install of the new shingles. You can see how it creased here. You can just see it. It creased here. So definitely in bad shape. As you can see, all these creased also. Won't be long before another bad storm comes through, blows these off here. That one creased also. So this roof can't properly be repaired without creating continuous damage. So BCR out.